From 25th November 2025, any student visa holder who has successfully completed their course may now apply in country without having to leave the UK, provided they meet the Innovator Founder eligibility rules. Later on in this video, we will discuss what rules are they. We will also discuss the endorsing bodies and how you can apply Innovator Founder Visa. Before, you have to leave the UK unless you are a PhD student, and you can apply Innovator Founder Visa from your home country. But as per new rules, from 25th November 2025, you don't need to leave the UK. You can switch from student visa to Innovator Founder Visa. But first, let's learn what is Innovator Founder Visa. So on gov.uk, just write Innovator Founder Visa, the only genuine website. Click on this link, then you will land on this page. This link explains you everything that what is Innovator Founder Visa. A student visa holder wishing to apply for the Innovator Founder route must first have completed the course for which their visa was granted. So for example, if the student got MSc marketing course, they need to complete the course first before they can apply for the Innovator Founder Visa. But before the student visa expires, the rule applies to all level of study, including undergrads, postgrads, and research programs. Whereas PhD students remain eligible once they have completed at least 24 months of full-time study. So if you awarded PhD program and you doing that program and you have completed 24 months. Further, it says as the earlier 12-month proposal was not implemented. So if you have completed 24 months, you can apply for the Innovator Founder Visa. Further, it says applications must be made before the student visa expires. The endorsement stage should begin as early as possible, since endorsing body will evaluate the proposal against the Home Office criteria of innovation, viability, and scalability. Now, what do we mean by endorsement stage? So let's suppose you entered in the UK as a MSc marketing. While you are on student visa, while you're doing your studies, you can apply for the endorsement. Now, what is endorsement? To understand that in detail, we will go on the guidance Innovator Founder and Scale Up Visas endorsing bodies, which was updated on 1st of October 2024. You go down and in the section of endorsing bodies, you have these 4 companies. Number 1, UK Endorsing Services. Number 2, Innovator International. Number 3, Investor Limited. Number 4, the Global Entrepreneurs Program. You can apply endorsement from any company. These are the private bodies. So if I click on Investor Limited, for example, this will take me to investors website. So this is the website. Further, the Home Office guidance do say that this endorsement will cost you £1,000 per person to apply for the endorsement for an Innovator Founder Visa. So Innovator Founder Visa fees is different, but the most important thing is the endorsement part. So while you are on a student visa, apply for the endorsement if you think you can do it. You pay this directly to the endorsing body. Never ever pay any agent any money because they are all scammers. You may find some people on Facebook who will say that we will give you the endorsement plan and they will charge you £5,000, £3,000, etc. But don't pay anyone anything because they are all scammers. Further, this says if your application for the Innovator Founder Visa is successful, you must meet your endorsing body for a mandatory contact point meeting at least twice during the length of your permission to be in the UK. Your contact point meeting cost £500 per meeting, paid directly to the endorsing body. So £1,000 you will pay for the endorsement, and during the visa, so twice during the length of your permission, which means initially you will get for 2 years, then you will go for the extension. For first 2 years, you need to pay £500 per meeting. Further, the guidance says once endorsement is issued, The visa application can be submitted online with evidence of funds, English language ability, endorsement reference, and identity documents. Now, how to apply for the Innovator Founder Visa? Watch this video. I have explained how you can apply for the Innovator Founder Visa on gov.uk. I have showed how you can fill the application form. These decisions typically take between 3 to 8 weeks, depending on processing capacity and whether priority service are used. This priority service will cost you £500 extra, but you will get the decision quicker. The best is go for priority service because there is a delay with the Home Office. Most of the applicants are waiting, so it's always better go for the priority service. The next important question is how long you can stay on the Innovator Founder Visa. So as per gov.uk, the guidance says you can stay for 3 years if you either come to the UK on an Innovator Founder Visa or switch to this visa from another visa while in the UK. You will need to meet your endorsing body after 12 months and 24 months to show you are making progress with your business. Your visa may be cut short if your endorsement is withdrawn by the endorsement body. So getting the endorsement is not everything. You need to make sure you maintain the endorsement as well. If you want to stay longer, you must reapply with a new endorsement before your current visa expires. Fees for this is £1,274 per person if you apply from outside the UK. It costs £1,590 per person if you apply to extend or switch your visa in the UK. So let's suppose you're on a student visa and you're switching to this visa. It will cost you £1,590. The endorsement will cost you £1,000, which we have just discussed. You also need to pay immigration health surcharge. Watch this video. I have explained what exactly the immigration health surcharge currently in the year 2025 to 2026. Now let's discuss the last part, what you can do and can't do on this visa. With an Innovator Founder Visa, you can set up a business or several businesses. Work for your own business. Do work outside your business as long as it's job needing at least a level 3 qualification. Bring your partner and children as dependents. Travel abroad and return to the UK. Apply to settlement permanently in the UK. The good thing about the Innovator Founder Visa is this. You can apply for settlement in the UK, also known as ILR, if you lived in the UK for 3 years and meet the other eligibility requirement. So all the skilled worker visa, all the other categories, you have to stay 5 years before you can apply. This is the only category that you can apply for settlement in 3 years. What is settlement? Which is also known as ILR. ILR stands for Indefinite Leave to Remain.